Hello, I'm Oscar. Together with Bartosz, we're going to show you Aleo, the open B2B procurement and supplier financing platform launched in Poland by ING. Aleo.com is a B2B marketplace open to companies of all sizes, integrating professional procurement services and easy supplier financing. Now first, buyers use Aleo to submit RFPs to suppliers, get quotes, and negotiate prices. Professional procurement tools like this historically were reserved for the biggest companies, but Aleo is open to everyone. The key functionality is included in the basic free subscription. Procurement, though, is just the starting point. Once the deal is closed, Aleo allows the two companies to agree on payment terms that are suitable for both sides. The buyer can defer payment as long as he likes, while the supplier gets cash as soon as he needs. All of this with just a few proverbial clicks.
Okay, so let's see how Aleo works in practice. Let's imagine that Oscar here works at the procurement department of a large toys producer called Master Toys, while I'm a sales manager at Packaging Express, a small vendor specialized in custom-made packaging. We start with logging into the platform as a buyer.
So now I'm at Aleo's main dashboard. Here I can see anything that might need my attention. Pending RFPs, offers I've received from suppliers, upcoming purchase auctions. Today, I need to buy some cardboard boxes to ship my product. So I'm going to use the RFP functionality to get some quotes from suppliers. So for the demo, we're using a draft RFP form with most of the fields filled in. As you can see here, I can specify everything I'm looking for. I'm looking for 30,000 cardboard boxes of a certain size with my company logo on them. I can even attach a file, so for example, an image of the product. Now, there's two fields I'd like to draw your attention to. The first one, preferred payment term. Normally, suppliers expect to get their money 14 days after delivery. That's great for them. I'm in a little bit of a liquidity squeeze. I would like to pay later, let's say even 90 days later. Now, normally, suppliers would reject this, but I have a supplier financing limit in Aleo. That way, suppliers know that they can get paid immediately. The second field I'd like to point out is the RFP visibility. Here, I'm going to choose to make my RFP visible to all relevant suppliers for the product. And by doing this, in this case, my RFP is going to hit over 90 potential suppliers at the same time. So I'm going to publish my RFP and wait for offers.
Okay, so let's see now how it looks from the supplier's perspective. For me, the most important function of Aleo are notifications of new business opportunities that match my business profile. This way, I can see here that Master Toys is on the market for boxes. Let's check the details of what they need. Okay, I can see the volume, the dimensions, other specification. Great, this is exactly my kind of business, so I will go for it and place my offer. So here we go. So first I input my price, a tax rate, and yes, I can cover the delivery cost, but hang on a moment. They would like to pay me 90 days after delivery? Well, normally that's a business killer. That's too long. But fortunately, I can see here that they are using Aleo Supplier Financing, which means that I will be able to very quickly finance the invoice issued for them. So this way, those 90 days are not so scary anymore, and I can confirm that I accept it. This way, thanks to Aleo, I'm able to compete for an order that otherwise would be out of my reach. So let's place this offer now and see what happens. And great, it seems that at the moment my offer is the best. But if any other supplier offers a lower price, Aleo will notify me and I will have my time to react. Let's assume now that I have won this deal and that Master Toys has become my regular client. Now, I would like to get my cash earlier. To do this, I'm going to the Supplier Financing panel. Right here, I can find all my invoices and check their status. I can find out which invoices have been already confirmed as delivered by the buyer, which makes them ready for financing. The financing is very easy. Let's just pick one invoice from here and request financing. Now, all I have to do is to accept the conditions, including the discount rate to be charged, And now if I go forward, I will get paid by ING Bank tomorrow at latest. This is great for my company because I don't need to go through the hassle of applying for a loan myself. I don't even have to open an account with ING. It really doesn't get any better than this. Let's come back to the buyer now.
Supplier financing is also of benefit to the buyer. I've shown you already how I can defer payment terms, and my CFO is madly in love with me. But that's not all. I can earn additional cash. Now, I'm in the supplier financing panel, which looks a little bit different from the buyer's side. I'm going to go first into the My Suppliers tile, and here I can enter relations with new suppliers or manage my relations with existing suppliers. I'm going to open my relation with my packaging, with Packaging Express. And here's something else to make my greedy CFO happy, a buyer's margin. This is a margin charged to the supplier addition to the interest earned by the bank. Now, I'm going to click back to the supplier financing panel. And in the Reports tab, I can see how much money I've made this way, month by month. Supplier financing in Aleo is something truly unique. I can not only defer payment terms, but now I'm not paying interest to the bank is paying interest to me. How cool is that? What we've shown you is just the beginning. Ownership of Aleo and the transactional data gives ING a unique opportunity to develop more financial services. Financial services like this that are available at the right time in the right place, just as business is being done. This way, even a big bank like ING can innovate and disrupt financial services, and let me tell you, clients like it too. Over 50,000 users in Poland and still growing. If you like the demo, please vote for it. If you like more information, please come visit us at our booth. Thank you from Bartosz and me.
Thank you.